Okay, so Amazon is uncovering its AI wraps and they are bringing out their chat assistant within their Amazon applications called Rufus. This Rufus was named after a corgi that actually used to be in the hallways of Amazon. This new chatbot of Amazon was trained on Amazon's product library, customer reviews, and also the web. So all you have to do simply is to tap on the search bar and start asking it questions like about the product or in comparison with others or any other follow-up questions that you might be having pertaining to the product within the Amazon application, and it will get it to you right at that instant, which actually elevates or enhances the customer experience within the application. And it sounds cool, but you should also keep in mind that this feature is in beta and it is a chat assistant that is using AI, so it might not be 100% accurate, but it can definitely make some cumbersome tasks easy. On the other hand, this beta feature is not actually available for everyone. It's only rolling out to a certain or select few customers, will be rolling out furthermore to others as they see better prospects. And one of the most vital parts to actually making the AI better in any product is to provide feedback. So if you have access to this already, I might as well suggest that you give it feedback if it is doing something wrong, if it is getting the answers right. I always do this with my chatbots that I use, like with Perplexity, Copilot, Bing, and even Gemini. And also you could see in the video that there are suggested questions that it might pop up as you ask them follow-up questions, which kind of is also helpful for some of you all, but I can't really tell much unless I try it for myself. So let's wait for the updates to start rolling out for every user out there. If you already have tried them, let me know in the comments below. I'd really be excited to know how this experience is for you. If you found this video useful, leave it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.